Hello everyone, this is Rosie and I'm back with another video on how to add a new email to your Outlook. So first open your Outlook and you would want to go to the File tab. Here you would want to click on Account Settings. A new window will pop where you can add new or change the email. Here it will show you all the emails that are associated with your Outlook. Just click on the new button and enter your email here. It will ask you to enter the password of your email. You would want to enter that as well. And that's it. There will be two emails associated in your app. And here you will receive and will be able to send emails from both of the mail. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.